My hair is falling, my hair is falling. Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to talk about hair fall. It seems like everywhere I go somebody's losing their hair. My hair is falling, my hair is falling. That's the cry of everyone around me. Yes. Before we go into that, if you've been following me on Instagram, you know that I was in Las Vegas, and that's one of the reasons I haven't uploaded any videos in the last 3 weeks. But so here's some footage of some of the things we saw and did in Las Vegas. Roll it! I have noticed in the last couple months, you know, that my hair has been falling. It's in the kitchen, it's in the bedroom, it's in the refrigerator. Everywhere there is my hair. I cut my hair a few weeks ago because I didn't have much volume and I thought my hair was kind of flat, but didn't really realize that it was the fact that my hair has been falling slowly. And because my hair is so dense, I didn't really notice that. So been using some hair mask and some homemade shampoo to deal with the situation. But before we get into the recipe, let me tell you some of the common causes why so many people are complaining about losing their hair, why so many women are suffering with this problem. I mean, close friends, people that I just know, coming complaining that they're losing their hair. And one of the reasons why a lot of women are losing their hair today is because women are just had COVID, and then that is like one of the side effects of having COVID is hair loss. Some women have got the vaccine. One of the side effects of getting the vaccine is hair loss. One of the reasons why your hair can be falling if you didn't get the vaccine or you didn't have COVID. One of the main reasons of hair loss, other than medical condition, is stress. Stress can really make your hair fall. That can be one of the main reasons why your hair is falling out. Also, the lack of sun, the lack of vitamin D from the sun, because you can be taking vitamin D and not going outside and your hair can still fall. So because the vitamin D that work for us is the vitamin D we get from the sun. Last time I did my hair, I noticed that as I was coming through my hair with my finger to apply my product, I see hair on my fingers, and that was not something that happened to me in the norm. I'm like, why do I see hair in it? And I haven't changed anything. Actually, I'm eating healthier, exercising more often. I had the opportunity to be for 3 straight weeks out in the sun every single day. So I was in the pool, I was in the park, I was going for a walk, I was going outside, I was just driving around or walking down the strip. So either way, I was outside every single day taking huge amount of vitamin D. And I noticed that as I got back in LA, My hair has fallen less. If you've been suffering from hair loss, please go outside, have some sun, just bask. Imagine you're a turtle and just go outside and bask in the sun. That will definitely do you much better for your. But in the meantime, while you're dealing with all that stuff, I have bring you a very good recipe that it can definitely help you with your situation. It most definitely have helped me deal with my hair loss, and I used it in the past when my hair was also falling after I had my baby. With the postpartum, my hair was falling, and I also used this recipe to mitigate the situation, and my hair definitely saw much improvement. Carrots, they're not just for eating or making juices, they're also for your hair. Carrots are also rich in vitamin A, vitamin E, that will help stimulate your hair growth and make your roots a lot stronger. We want stronger roots because the stronger hair doesn't fall. Some herbs, you know, I love my rosemary and mint, rosemary and mint, rosemary and mint. I'm a huge fan of rosemary, and one of the main reasons why I'm huge fan of rosemary is because rosemary does increase hair growth. So it stimulates your scalps and it stimulates hair growth. It also prevents hair fall. And rosemary has been found to increase hair growth by 22%. Now I'm just gonna crush this rosemary really good, so the aromas and the flavor can be released, and the oils, all the good stuff that make your hair grow and is stronger, it get released really good when you crush it really nicely before you put it in the blender. Now let's add to this our beautiful mint, which also promotes hair growth and prevents hair fall, and let's crush them together so we can release all the oils and all the aromas and all the good stuff that's gonna make your hair really strong. So now let's add our crushed mint and rosemary to our blender. So now that we have our crushed rosemary and mint, let's add 1 full banana. Banana is great moisturizer, also prevent split ends and breakage, also make your hair really soft. So whatever mask you add a banana, it's gonna be very soft, and it's gonna add some slip to it. Now let's add our carrot juice. You don't have to add a lot of carrot juice to it, just add just enough so the banana can blend really well, and not too much so it doesn't become too runny. So it's completely your choice, whether like a thicker paste or a runnier paste. You can add anywhere between half a cup and 1/4 of a cup, so your banana can blend really good without getting all the stuff in the blender. So here we have also one of my favorites, which is amla powder. My first YouTube video was actually a video about amla powder, recipe about amla powder, because I used it in the past a lot and I stopped using it because it was messy, because I was lazy. But now I have come back once again to use amla powder because the results are amazing. Amla powder prevents hair fall, prevents hair graying, make your hair stronger and shinier, and also it darkens your hair so gray doesn't show that much. Hello again. So here I have my hair mask and I'm gonna put that on my hair so we can put this in. It's very messy. It could be very messy, so use a black shirt and maybe a towel on the floor or something so you don't get messy, or you can also use a towel around your neck. So let's put this on. Okay, this is very I'm gonna spray some water only because my hair is a little bit harsh. Maybe the gel, I don't know, some other stuff that I put in during the week, but it's hard as a rock. So I don't want to start doing nothing to it until I can break that gel out of it. I think it's gel. It's only in the front. The rest of it is fine. Oh, there you go. But also you can apply a little bit of water too for better absorption. If the hair is a little bit damp because it's a very thick mask, so a little bit of water all over the hair. It could definitely aid the absorption and make the application easier and smoother, so that can definitely be a better thing to do. This is not a must, but I think it's a pretty good practice, even though depending on the consistency of the mask, I might not do this at all. There you go. It's super dry. Oh my, his hair feel like a broom. So hopefully it will feel a lot better after this mask. I find that it's easier when you don't have all these sections to work with. So I find that if you only have 2 sections to work it, putting on masks that are running and things like that can be a lot easier, whether you use your hands or a applicator bottle. There you go. So 2 sections make it a lot easier to apply, and I think I'll get less messy as well. So you can press against the scalp to make sure that it actually get in there. And as you press down, you can feel it in your scalp being absorbed. So you don't have to necessarily go out of your way to make a whole bunch of sections to apply this mask, and any other mask for that matter. I used to make a little section, but it just make it a lot harder to put on the mask. Takes longer, And of course, more work to do. So you're gonna put some bobby pin in it. And if you also wash in section, this also definitely also can help. I'm squeezing just so that the mask can actually get in there, in the deep part of the hair, so no part stay dry without pulling and stretching and all that. So I think this will work. Now that you have put on your mask, put in a plastic cap and let it sit on it for 45 minutes to an hour. Then you can wash your hair and style as you desire. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope this video can help you or someone you know. And please subscribe, share, like, and come back for the next video. And please leave your comments down below. Let me know, have you tried this recipe? Have you tried any of the ingredients before? If yes or not. And if you are dealing with hair loss, what's your situation? What kind of measurement are you taking to deal with it? So thank you. I see you on my next video. Bye bye.